ఇన్నోవేషన్ ఫెస్ట్ 2024ను విజయవంతం చేసిన విద్యార్థులందరినీ షాదాన్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ కళాశాల వైస్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ డాక్టర్ హిమబిందు అభినందించారు. హైదరాబాద్ పట్టణ కేంద్రంలోని ఖైరతాబాద్లో గల షాదాన్ ఉమెన్స్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ కళాశాల ఆధ్వర్యంలో టెక్ ఫెస్ట్ 2024ను నిర్వహించారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా డాక్టర్ హిమబిందు మాట్లాడుతూ, ఆధునిక ప్రపంచంలో అభివృద్ధి చెందుతున్న టెక్నాలజీకి ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ ఎంతగానో ఉపయోగపడుతుందని అన్నారు. ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ విద్యార్థులకు విద్యా బోధనలో కూడా ఎన్నో మెలకువలను నేర్పిస్తుందని అన్నారు. టెక్నాలజీకి అనుగుణంగా ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ మానవ నిజ జీవితంలో కూడా ఎంతగానో సహాయపడుతుందని అన్నారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో కళాశాల జాయింట్ సెక్రటరీ జెహ్రా ఖాన్, కళాశాల డైరెక్టర్ అధ్యాపకులు, వివిధ కళాశాలల విద్యార్థులు తదితరులు పాల్గొన్నారు.
Good morning. I'm Dr. Himabindu, Vice Principal, Shadhan Women's College of Engineering and Technology. Feels proud privilege to address the gathering today. Respected Chief Guest of the day, Dr. Zahra Khan Madam, the Joint Secretary, Shadhan Education Society, and respected Directors, Admin and Academic, that is Dr. Rahman Sharif Sir and Dr. Iqbal Ahmed Sir, and respected Principal, Dr. Palanikanan Sir, and respected HOD, Head of the Department, Dr. Berin Jones Sir, my colleagues and my dearest students. Let me start with my thoughts which I would like to share with my student friends. Education is not that you are trying to learn something extraordinary. Education is molding yourself. Molding yourself. The way you mold yourself will not come from the books. You have to learn from all corners. And we in our institution believe that mere textbook education is not sufficient for anybody to excel in life. In other direction, that there are many activities to be carried out. For example, the glimpse of what is happening in our college today, that is innovation, that is technovation, the program on artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is nothing but the mimic of behavior of human, and artificial intelligence can shape the future of education. Artificial intelligence, with the help of artificial intelligence, a teacher can find the better and simple way to teach the students. For example, the mathematical concepts can be taught to the students in very simplified way. By applying artificial intelligence, a student can get, adopting artificial intelligence, a student can get the quality education. For a student, it is an opportunity to personalize and simplify the education by optimizing the time and improving the quality and productivity as well. And some of the daily life examples, some of the way the artificial intelligence can be used is through cell phones. When you type a message, we see the next word comes automatically in your cell phone. That is nothing but an artificial intelligence. And you have self-driven cars. This self-driven car, which was taken out by Tesla, is through artificial intelligence. And Alexa and the Google Map, without which it's not possible for us to reach any of our destinations. And Google, the search engine, is also through artificial intelligence, and the games what you play, and ChatGPT and weather predictions, etc. All these are through artificial intelligence itself. So it is predicted that the machines will take over the world by 2040. I appreciate the efforts taken by the Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department to conduct such a useful and a wonderful program for the students. Thank you.